Hello guys, in this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning poster design in Photoshop. Without wasting my time, let's get started. So first and foremost, we need to create our workspace. So click on create new here. Then I'll make sure my distance is set to inches, width 5 inches, height 5 inches, resolution stays at 300, color mode stays at the same, transparent, make sure background content is changed to transparent, and then color profile, pixel aspect ratio remains the same. Then click on create. So after clicking on create, we are going to work on our background first. So first I'm going to click on this foreground color here, select a color of my choice. I'm going to click on the background color also, then choose like as you can see I've set it already, choose a lighter color, then I press OK. After that I'll go to my adjustment layer, then I'll select gradient, gradient fill, and here I'm going to choose this side here, go to basics. The colors we just created here, these two colors, they pop up in the basic, so you click on them here, and then I'll press OK. Here I'm going to double tap on the terminology. Now click on this reverse here, then I'll click here, I'll double tap there, then I'll increase this a bit. Okay, I'm going to increase it a bit. Now I'll press OK. After pressing OK, I'm going to write our first text. So for that, I'm going to click on an empty area on the workspace to deselect any current layer that is being selected. So as you can see, so now I'm going to select my text too, and I'll type my text, caps lock, type my text, and then here I'm going to double tap on this text thumbnail layer here, then I will change the color of my text to white, press OK. Now I'll change my font to Monstrat bold or black, Monstrat black. Now press OK, and then here I'm going to press Ctrl T on my keyboard, and then I'm going to drag my text. Okay, I'm going to drag my text. Yeah, hold Ctrl on my keyboard and make it a bit thinner. Okay, I'm going to drag my text. So I'm just adjusting my text to fit the way I want. Now press this check mark here, and then I'll try to bring the Ctrl A to align my text. So after you click Ctrl, this taskbar or this thing will pop up here, then select the middle one, then Ctrl D to deselect. Okay, here I'm going to hold Alt, make a duplicate of my text. Hold Alt and make a duplicate of my text. So I'm making duplicate. I'm going to click this and convert it to smart object. After converting it to smart object, okay, I'm going to press Ctrl T and then left click and then flip vertical. After flipping vertical, I'm going to left click again and then select perspective. So after selecting perspective, I'm going to press Ctrl minus to zoom out. Okay, I'm going to hold here, then push. Now this process, if this is your first time, you're not going to get it right. You might not get it right, but you need to practice. Okay, so you do a mistake, Ctrl Z to deselect. So let's drag, and I'm going to click this check mark here, Ctrl plus to zoom in. Okay, so as you can see, I'm okay with it. I'm going to select both. I will select the first text layer, select the second one, hold it down, Control. I'm going to press Control T. Now, there's all there and drag to make it bigger, okay. Then I'm going to press this check mark, and I'm going to move these two up using my arrow keys. I'm going to move these two up using my arrow keys. Now we are bringing our image layer, so I'll go here to my file and just select my image layer. Now drop it here. Now hold down Alt and then transform it a bit. I'll click this check mark. Now let me hide my image layer first. Now go to this particular text. Then you add a layer mask to it. Make sure for background color set to black. Select your brush tool. Select your gradient map. Select your gradient map. Then you hold from here to you drag up. Okay. Control Z. So hold Control Z. So hold from here and you drag up. Okay. Then I'm going to select my move tool. I'm going to hide my image layer. And I'm going to drag it up a bit. And drag it up a bit. Okay. Start dragging it up a bit. Then I'm going to duplicate it by dragging it down to this plus icon here. Create a duplicate of it. Okay. And let me select the lower one. This. Now convert it to a smart object. Start converting it into a smart object. Okay. I'm going to hide this one, the first layer, and I'm going to go to Effects. Then I will select blending options here, and I will choose color overlay. And make sure my color overlay is set to black. Okay. Now press OK. So now I'm going to hide this one. Then Control T. I hold down Control, and then I will just try to create a shadow. Shadow I create. Okay. Now I'm going to hold Control still. Just adjust it to just look realistic. Then press Enter. If you are still not okay, you can always press Control T, hold down Control, still adjust it. Okay, still adjust it. It's all up to you. This check mark here. Now I'm going to go to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. I'll set my blur to 7.6, or let's say 8.8. I'll press OK. Here I'm going to add a layer mask again. Select my brush tool. If caps lock is on, just turn it off. Now size my brush tool by using the bracket keys on my keyboard. Then I'm going to then I think I'm okay with the outcome of it. Control Z to fit. You can see I'm okay. So now let's select our text and write our second text. I'm going to just click on empty space here. So let's type in our text. Comma. Stay safe. Sure. I'll double tap on the thumbnail of the text and then reduce it to about 16. Now click this check mark here. Then we double tap it again. Change the color to black. Now press OK. And click the check mark. Control A to align. And select this. Control D to deselect. Right. Create a new layer, empty layer. Go to an empty layer. So I'm going to click on an empty space on the workspace here to deselect all current layers selected. Now once again select my text tool, click and just drag to auto fill it with Lorem Ipsum text, as you can see. So I'm just going to quickly change the size to about 9 pixels, and I'm going to change it from black to extra light, and I'll press enter here. Control on my keyboard. Make sure the move to is selected to bring out this pop-up. Okay, then click align set. Control D to deselect. Okay, we are almost done, guys. Make sure to like this video, please. So our final text, we once again click on this create new layer here, then select our text tool. Here type in our text. Stay. Click the check mark. Double tap on this thumbnail and then increase the size to about 14% or 16, and then change the font family. Okay, yeah, I'm going to use like Aquafina script. Okay, I'm once again going to change the size to about 18. I'll click this check mark and I'll press Ctrl V and then Ctrl A. I'm going to align this, then Ctrl D to the slide, Ctrl T, and then I'll just quickly try to size up this text. I'm going to Ctrl A and then align it, Ctrl D to the select. We're almost done, guys. Like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now our last thing we are going to do is to try to color adjust this whole design. So come here to your adjustment layer and then choose color balance. Now the midtones. Okay, on the midtones, we'll drag this to about 5%. Then the magenta about +2. Then I'll go here and change it to light highlight, and also drag the rest a bit. Then here we'll just drag this also a bit. So as you can quickly see, before adding the color balance, after adding the color balance. And here is it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe so you, my friend, don't miss any future videos, tips, tutorials or tricks